Voyager in Space, written by Shirley Reeve Snyder. One thought job. The United States sent two Voyager spacecraft into space in 1977. Their job was to fly past Jupiter and Saturn, two giant planets in our solar system. Scientists built the Voyager to be tough. Still, though the Voyagers would only work for about 5 years. More than 35 years later, both spacecraft are still working. Planning. The trip was carefully planned. The planets all move around the sun at different speeds. Sometimes they are on the same side of the sun. Sometimes they are on opposite sides. In the late 1970s, the four biggest planets in our solar system all lined up near each other. They were close enough together that the Voyager could visit them all in one trip. The main task. The Voyager's first job was to study Jupiter and Saturn, the larger moon and Saturn rings. As the two spacecraft flew, they made discoveries about our solar system. Jupiter. The Voyager's first target was Jupiter, the solar system's largest planet. People had already seen Jupiter through telescopes, but the Voyagers have a much better view. They showed that the Great Red Spot was a huge, spinning star. They discovered a ring around Jupiter, like the ones around the Saturn. They also helped scientists learn more about Jupiter's moons. Saturn. The Voyager arrived at Saturn 9 months apart in 1980 and 1981. They took pictures that showed new rings around the solar system's second largest planet, Uranus. After passing Saturn, Voyager 1 headed toward deep space. Voyager 2 kept going toward Uranus. The strange light blue planet is tipped on each side. Voyager 2 passed Uranus in early 1986. Neptune. Next, Voyager 2 flew toward Neptune. It passed the planet in August of 1989 and discovered 5 new moons. Like Voyager 1, Voyager 2 began its journey toward deep space. The Golden Record. The Voyager aren't just collecting information, they are also carrying a message. It's a greeting to other living things that may be in space. The message is on a golden record on the side of each spacecraft. The record has music, art, and people from around the world saying hello on it. The outside of the record was a map that shows where Earth is. Other living things could use the map to find our planets, but what probably won't happen soon. Voyager 1 won't come close to another star for at least 40,000 years. The final task. Now that the Voyagers have finished exploring planets, they have new tasks. Their job is to explore space beyond our solar system. In August 2012, Voyager 1 left our solar system and began this new journey. The spacecraft is the first thing made by people ever to leave our system. Conclusion. Voyager has opened up our solar system, say project scientist Dr. Edward Stone. The two spacecraft flew past of the solar systems, giant outer planet, and many moons. Now the Voyagers are giving us a first look at deep space while carrying a message from Earth.